Welcome back to the Daily Digital. I'm Kate Murray. This video is all about lead magnets. This is one of my favorite things to talk about. So if you're new to online marketing or you're just wondering what in the world is a lead magnet, you're in the right place. So a lead magnet is something that businesses typically give away for free. It's an incentive that they use to attract their potential buyer in exchange for their email address, because the ultimate goal of the business is to get that person on their email list. Why? Why does everybody want to grow their email list? Well, because email is the highest return on investment of all forms of digital marketing. How do we know that's true? Well, because digital marketing is very easy to measure statistics and online clicks, and data doesn't lie. So it's not like the 1990s and the early 2000s when businesses would invest in a billboard or a magazine ad and they wouldn't really accurately be able to track how many people bought their product or service because of the ad.
The process of online lead generation or attracting strangers to your product or service isn't always as easy as just putting up a beautiful website. You need to get people to visit your website, and you need to have a process in place so that once they do visit your website, they don't just close their browser and leave, but they actually find a solution to their problem, and they find it in a way that resonates. This is where a good free lead magnet comes in. It's a proven process that hundreds of thousands of companies, both large and small, use every day to grow their list for the purpose of making money online. In order to really get it right, you've got to follow the process step by step. If you miss a step, it's just not going to work. So, how do you get started? Well, deciding on your lead magnet is the very first step.
Now, typically, a lead magnet is something that people can download instantly and get value from. In other words, if it's not valuable, why would somebody give you their email address? So you've got to have something in there that's really helpful to your target audience. One of my most favorite lead magnets of all is the quiz.
Maybe it's just human nature, but quizzes are just a really lighthearted and fun way to get people to engage. Here are the other top lead magnets that you can consider. A step-by-step checklist, because if you're showing people how to do something, they can check off their progress. A quick start guide, because let's face it, if you can provide the cliff notes to get something done fast, people will certainly appreciate that. An email script, because it's a huge time saver for people to just copy and paste, then edit the email instead of having to sit down with writer's block and stare at a blank screen trying to figure out what to type. A mini course or a section of your digital course so that people can take a test ride before they buy. This also works for a book. Offering a chapter of your book so that people can read it and get an idea of your writing style before they buy is also a great lead magnet. A free template for something related to your main product or service. A cheat sheet, such as how to start a blog. Access to a free webinar that offers some helpful tips to solve their problem and eventually would lead to whatever your ultimate product or service is. And finally, you can email a course. Offering a 4 or 5-day email course on a topic related to your actual product or service is a great way to set up automation and give people a taste of what you ultimately have to offer.
Creating a lead magnet is one of the most ethical and unintrusive ways to generate leads for your business online. Only the people who are interested are going to give you their email address.
Now that you've probably got an idea of what you want to do for your lead magnet, how do you set it all up? One of my favorite all-in-one tools for getting an online marketing funnel like this going as quickly as possible is linked in the comments below. You can literally set this up in 20 minutes. It's so easy and intuitive that anybody can do it. You can get started with a free trial or book a free 15-minute consultation with me to see if it's a good fit for your business.
Setting up the proper funnel is critical to following up with the people who have opted in to your lead magnet, because ultimately These people are looking for answers, and if your business provides a solution to what they're looking for,
and do it in a way that makes them feel like you're helping them solve a problem instead of trying to sell them something, that is how the magic happens with online marketing.
so now you may be thinking, I'm not exactly sure what to write in those emails and what to say that's going to get them to buy my product or service. No matter what business or industry you're in, writing emails is not easy. So if you need a little bit of help with what to say in your email nurturing sequence,
It's as simple as signing up for a free email course that strips out all the jargon and confusing nonsense of email marketing and gives you actionable, straight up tips so you can get started with your lead magnet, nurturing your audience, and making money online. I've included a link in the comments below.
well, did you enjoy this video? Let me know what questions you have in the comments below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen so you don't miss out on my best tips for online marketing.